I know it's a beautiful day outside, but it's time for school again, so let's pack it in. Come on in, have your seats, and we'll get started on our first module. Welcome to Module 1 in Mathematics, Absolute Value. Let's start off with a definition of absolute value. The absolute value, or modulus, of a real number x is the non-negative value of x without regard to its sign. Namely, absolute value of x equals x for a positive x. Absolute value of x equals negative x for a negative x, in which case negative x is positive, and absolute value of 0 equals 0. Whoa. What? Thanks, Wikipedia, for that definition, but that's quite a mouthful. Let's break that down a little bit and see if we can make some sense out of it. First of all, modulus. Modulus is just another way to say absolute value. If your friends think they understand absolute value, throw modulus at them and see if they're impressed. Next is the symbol that we use for absolute value. It's the number we're concerned with, in this case the variable x, with short little vertical lines on either side of it. This symbol would be read as the absolute value of x. Absolute values apply to real numbers. The real numbers are those numbers that you would use in everyday life. They're the numbers we use to count or measure things. Real numbers are those numbers that could be placed on a number line. Non-negative value of x. There's the heart of the matter. In its simplest form, the absolute value of a number is just the number part of a real number. But it's better to keep in mind that the absolute value of a number is simply how far that number is on the number line from 0. For example, on this number line, how far is the number 2 from 0? It's 2 units away. And how far is the number -2 from 0? It's also 2 units away. So the absolute value of 2 is 2, and the absolute value of -2 is 2, because both +2 and -2 are 2 units away from 0 on the number line. Let's look at the definition once more. The absolute value, or modulus if you want to impress your friends, of a real number, that's a number we can count or measure with or put on a number line, is the non-negative value of x without regard to its sign. So we can just drop the negative sign. And that's it for the absolute value, or modulus, of a number. See you next time.